Joining us live now is the co-partner with Michael Keaton in that project, Craig Ripple with Trinity Commercial Development. Thank you for joining us tonight, Craig.
Thank you for having me, Megan.
What exactly is Nexi, the product?
Well, Nexi, the product, is actually an innovative, sustainable, green building material as well as a building system. And to really understand it, I have a little cutout here that I can show you. The product itself is 99% free of red list materials. It uses 30% carbon emissions than concrete, and there's no Portland cement in it. It also allows, when built, 75% faster build times with it, and there's zero waste, near zero waste on site during construction. It's mold, insect, fire, and water resistant. It also has a high R value, so it's highly insulated and watertight when assembled.
So how do you get involved in a project with that, with Batman?
Oh, interesting. So as real estate developers, we spent the last 25 years working around Western Pennsylvania, developing retail, big box retail, small format retail, redeveloping shopping centers, and so forth. About 15 years ago, we were invited to take a look at a brownfield in the Keys Rocks and started to work on a brownfield. So a brownfield would be a former industrial site that would have some form of environmental contamination on it. And working through that 105 acres, it really gave us a unique perspective because those are projects usually reserved for economic development agencies. But what we learned from that, and I didn't realize it at the time, the amount of demolition that we were performing on the site and the impact that that product that had previously been used to build all the buildings on the 105-acre railroad property, the impact it was having on the environment. More specifically, 39% of the world's global emissions come from buildings and construction. That's the global emissions. 33 to 50% of the world's solid waste that goes into landfills comes from construction. 90% of that from demolition, and 10% of that, strangely enough, from new construction.
And Craig, how do you see Pittsburgh aiding to this initiative to turn our future green?
Yeah, so we had a realization, and then we brought Michael in, who was an environmentalist. He also realized that. But how Pittsburgh's going to work is, Pittsburgh it's a strategic location. You're within 40% of the U.S. and Canadian population within 500 miles. It has an industrial heritage, and we believe a very good business support network. So we believe that the same reasons why steel helped to build America, that Nexi can help rebuild America.
Craig, thank you so much for your time tonight.
Thank you.